Bitcoin is going through a supply squeeze right now. There's not enough supply to go around. And I can show you with the on-chain data. The illiquid supply ratio, meaning the amount of Bitcoin's circulating supply that is held by long-term diamond-handed investors, illiquid off the market, has taken another leg up. Bitcoin supply shock is now at levels that previously priced Bitcoin at a $53,000 level. Consolidation after 10 straight green days is very reasonable, but still remain bullish over the coming weeks. That is one analyst's interpretation. We can see the on-chain data right here from Glassnode. While price is in gray right here, we can see the illiquid supply going up as long-term hodlers scoop up the supply. And this does not mean that Bitcoin can't go lower in the short term. Anything's possible. And it does not mean we can't be squeezed harder and go higher in the short term. Anything is possible. Thinking long term, as more and more coins get scooped up off the market, they can't print anymore. The price has to go up long term. And think about this first piece of Bitcoin news. Because of a law that was recently changed, one of Germany's largest asset managers is considering a Bitcoin investment. Check this out. Bank, one of Germany's largest asset managers, is considering investing in Bitcoin, a spokesman from the firm told Bloomberg today. The news comes in advance of a new German law taking into effect Monday that would make it possible for special funds to invest up to 20% of their holdings in Bitcoin. That's interesting. In Germany, special funds are mainly used for investments by institutions such as pension companies and insurers. Under this new legislation, Bank would become just one of about 4,000 German firms eligible now to buy Bitcoin. So, to be clear, Bank has not bought yet, but they made the official announcement that they're considering it. Why not? Now that the law's changed, why not consider it? I'll keep you updated. First piece of altcoin news for Ethereum. Who's the Ethereum whale buying up all the CryptoPunk NFTs? A single buyer purchased up over 1% of the CryptoPunk NFT supply on Friday, spending over $6 million, and it's still buying. I think, as most of you know, these are CryptoPunks. They are pixelated images. There are only 10,000 of them, and each one comes with a very distinct set of traits that adds to their rarity. And we are witnessing a little supply shock with the punks. A wallet purchased over 100 of them on Friday evening at prices anywhere from 24 to 29 Ethereum. And that wasn't the most expensive. That actually just sort of started the spree. Gary Vee paid over $3.7 million in Ethereum for one CryptoPunk. This CryptoPunk sold for 850 Ethereum yesterday. This CryptoPunk set the record and sold for over 2,250 Ethereum yesterday. Wow. Would you rather have this little guy or 2,250 Ethereum? Let me know in the comments. But again, there are collectors out there. And just to define it one last time, CryptoPunks are non-fungible tokens, NFTs, and in this case, there are 10,000 pixelated images of punky-looking characters, each with its own distinct characteristics. Punks are classified as alien, ape, zombie, and human, with the non-human punks being more rare. And the whales are paying millions of dollars for some of these. We just don't know which whales. Virtually nothing is known about the whales gobbling up these NFTs. The punks were all force-funded, which is jargon, meaning we don't know the wallet that bought them. Jargon for a wallet that was specifically created for a particular set of transactions, and therefore not linked to any previous history. Interesting. And the last thing I will say, because Altcoin Daily, when we can, does like to try and bring you the most accurate, most well-researched information possible. Upon some digging, it looks like Three Arrows Capital is the whale behind the 88 and 12 CryptoPunk market buys. They now have 100 CryptoPunks after paying Mining DAO 5 Ethereum to transact each set of transactions all in one block so they wouldn't get front run. So a major hedge fund paid a premium so they could buy their CryptoPunks faster and collect. What do they know about CryptoPunks that we don't? I'll keep you updated. Next piece of Polygon news. Binance completes Polygon wallet integration. The company indicated that transactions should now be cheaper than utilizing the traditional Polygon ETH bridge. So if you hold Polygon, here are the details. Binance has fully integrated the Polygon Matic mainnet onto its platform, according to their press release. From now on, Binance traders can deposit and withdraw Matic through their Binance accounts while also interacting with decentralized applications or dApps like SushiSwap, Balancer, Aave, and more. And what this means to you: this integration is meant to ensure that traders can utilize said dApps cheaply and efficiently without using the existing Polygon bridge. So Binance saw so much value in Matic, they're saying, hey, we're going to have more than just a bridge, we're going to integrate the mainnet fully. If you hold Polygon, give me your thoughts down below, but we continue to see adoption happening in the background. And next piece of altcoin investment news, Coinbase Ventures backs an Ethereum-based streaming network, and it's not Theta, it's LivePeer. Here's the news. LivePeer, an Ethereum-based video streaming network, announced it had raised $20 million in a Series B funding round. And it wasn't just Coinbase Ventures that bought. Led by Digital Currency Group, the funding for LivePeer saw participation from large venture capitalists, including Coinbase, CoinFund, Northzone, Sixth Man Ventures, and Animal Ventures. So if you're looking at altcoins to watch, always interesting to see where big money is putting their investments. Now, what will this investment be used for with LivePeer? Based on the announcement, LivePeer's latest funding will be used to build an in-house protocol to experiment with live stream use cases, such as scene classification, object recognition, song title detection, and video fingerprinting. Give me your thoughts down below. It's very possible that the future of decentralized live streaming is Theta. It's also very possible that the future of decentralized live streaming is LivePeer. Next piece of very quick altcoin news for Avalanche. Avalanche launches an upgraded bridge to prep its dApps for mainstream adoption. So the new bridge from Avalanche is allegedly 5 times cheaper, faster, and 5 times more secure than before, and the company says it is meant to act as a growth engine for future expansion. Wow. So if you like Avalanche, you like this. And it's weird that mainstream media won't report on stories like this, even though this is huge if you're an Avalanche holder. Avalanche, AVAX, is replacing its months-old Avalanche Ethereum Bridge, or AEB, with the aptly named Avalanche Bridge, or AB, and this will make it 5 times cheaper, faster, more secure, they say. And this should make it easier for participants to use the network. This upgrade is also occurring alongside the network's wallet and Explorer upgrades to bring next-generation improvements to all of its aspects. Now, don't FOMO into a coin because of this news. The true test will be to see which dApps start integrating with Avalanche. If it is so much better, I want to see the dApps. And that's what should be on our radar. Considering 59% of the existing decentralized applications or dApps run on Ethereum, upgrades like these with Avalanche are likely necessary for future interoperability. Interesting. As we get more information, as we see which dApps choose which platforms, I'll keep you updated. And next piece of big news for Cardano. And to be clear, this is a continuation from our bombshell of a Cardano video from yesterday. Seek this out, watch it if you have not already. But the news for ADA today, Cardano launches connector for dApp integration. And just for context, this is what we already know. Cardano announced about a week ago it had successfully completed the long-awaited Alonzo White hard fork. We know this. We know this means upcoming smart contracts. And we know smart contracts on the Cardano network means developers will be able to build DeFi, NFTs, decentralized identity, and countless other things not currently on Cardano. The new news is, continuing down this road, Cardano has now launched a connector for dApps integration on the network using its Yori wallet. What this means is, the connector will increase adoption worldwide on the network, bringing more and more people into the decentralized global operating system that was made for a user base that spans around the globe. I like it. And it's one thing to say this, but I want to know specifically, what does this connector specifically do? Well, it provides a much needed bridge between the users and the blockchain-based decentralized apps, or dApps, to enable them to access the services they require. The dApp connector will allow users to carry out activities permitted by the dApp that they are currently assessing. And more importantly, this Yori wallet connector will act as the communication between the Cardano blockchain and smart contracts